The Kanawha County School Board has officially purchased land for a new Herbert Hoover High School. 13 News reporter Nikki Walters is working for you with more on how this is a step forward for a community still feeling the impact of the 2016 flood.
It tore it up pretty bad.
Since the flood of 2016, Herbert Hoover High School students have been attending classes in portable buildings set up at Elkview Middle School. This week, Kanawha County Schools announcing they've purchased land for a new high school.
It's been a while, and we're happy that the board has finally purchased that land.
School board members say now they are just waiting for FEMA to finish evaluating the property.
Once that environmental assessment is finished in the near future, the construction on Herbert Hoover High School will be able to be started.
The goal is to break ground this fall.
It means that we're finally going to be able to move on that project and get groundbreaking and start seeing some movement and earth moving as well.
It's been more than 3 years since the flood destroyed the old Herbert Hoover. Now students are relieved to be moving forward.
I think this is going to be a great idea.
It should be put in.
The land purchased for the new school is off the Elkview exit, very close to Elkview Middle School. The land previously belonged to a church in the area. People in the community say it's about more than bricks and mortar. It's a fresh start and a new beginning.
I'm glad to see it rebuild itself.
In Elkview, I'm Nikki Walters, 13 News, working for you.
The new school is projected to be built and open by the fall of 2022.